Thanks, man. It's been a good night tonight, and some great artists on them boys. I lost count of how many instruments them boys playing before us, the drums and everything. I just lost count of how many instruments they were playing. That's what I wasn't going to say anything bad about them, they were brilliant. It's been a very, very good night. I hope you've all enjoyed yourselves. We've got one or two left. We'll do this one, and then if you start to make enough noise, we'll do another one, and then if you don't want us to, we'll not. So that's just the way we'll do it. This is, who's heard of Johnny Cash? Hello? Is that me? Sorry. I was meant to give you a nod whenever he was going to do that, but he didn't tell me either. So he didn't. There's a wee song called Jackson. Get the hands going if you know it, sing along, do what you can. Could you yodel to this one, Kenny? No, no. Sure, you can yodel away to yourself there and see how you get on. Where's the hands? Where we go? Johnny Cash here, okay? So you're going to have to all get your hands going and drown my bad drums. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. When I breeze into that city, people gonna stoop and bow. All them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm gonna jack my gold. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Goodbye, that's all.